Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, back with another video. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, so in today's video we are going to be making salsa or kachumbali, but this is a twisted recipe, or dania or coriander leaves. We will need a clove of garlic, we will need chilies, red and green, we will need a lime or lemon, tomatoes and a red onion. So on our hot pan, we are going to pan roast some tomatoes. Depending on how much salsa you want to make, you can pan fry as many or as little as one. The reason we are roasting them is because we want that smoky scent in our salsa at the end of the preparation. Remember, you can do this in the oven or a griller or a sigiri, anything that you have that can roast your tomatoes so that they get that smoky flavor. So we peel them and then cut them into simpler chunks that can be worked on in a food processor, and then we will add in green chilies and the red chilies. I'm opening this red chili to remove the seeds because it can be too hot if you leave them, and well, it's not like we really do too hot stuff here. So considering others, I'm going to reduce the seeds. And then cut a red onion into half, and then I'm going to cut it or chop it into manageable pieces. Then I'm also going to chop garlic. You can mince this or grate it to get a finer paste. We put everything in the food processor and we are going to manually keep turning until we get the right consistency we need. So here we are, and this is what we need. You can actually have that as it is, but because I want some freshness in my salsa, I'm going to go on ahead and chop a fresh tomato that is not roasted, and then I'm going to put it in a bowl. This is like a game changer, guys. It's one of the most undermined appetite boosters. You have this when you're having a meal, trust me, you'll not even know you're having too much food. So I'm going to go in with a quarter red onion that I'm going to chop into very little, very small dices, because I want the freshness, crunchiness of the onions. You can soak them in water for some minutes to remove the tangy taste, but if you don't mind it, you can just chop and then put. So we chop also our cilantro, then the lemon, or you can use lime, it's actually much better. And then we are going to mix this in the bowl all together. You can use a lemon squeezer or a sieve just to get the juice down, but I'm just going to use my hands to stop the seeds from going down and let the juice go into my kachumbali or salsa. And then I'll get my mixture that I already blended or added in my chopped vegetables. Go in with salt, half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to mix this together. I love this, guys. I'm sure you've visited hotels like Uhuru, and that salsa they always serve alongside their rice is heavenly. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you liked this recipe. See you soon in my next video, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do it. So bye.